Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. We're finally going flying today. We're finally going to take out the new 8-inch Cinema Quad out and actually do some exploring. This is an amazing camera. It shoots 4K DCI video and it shoots in Blackmagic RAW, 13 stops of dynamic range. And I've got another video. You can check the link at the end that talks about this build in more detail. We're also testing out the glove warming box, the Watotoy. Found this on eBay and it actually is pretty cool. It actually works. I've used it once before. The goal is to go up to the top of this hill that has a little snow and check it out, and basically just get some stick time, see how the rates feel, and check the exposure on the camera and just fly this thing. I've been building and tuning this thing for 3 months now, and it's time to put it to work. There's my helper Lisa there. She's the bodyguard today and visual observer.
Checklist reader.
And checklist reader too, yeah. So anyways, let's go flying. Thanks. We're good. What else? Take off, right? Okay, I gotta watch power. Thing flies like a rock. I'm glad I added some space to this, my little box here. That's what I'm doing. Okay. Let's fly up to the hill. Okay, 3.64, 277. Okay, let's watch 26 amps. This is my test flight. Well, my throttle, I need to change my throttle adjustment. Because I have to have my throttle up really high. Everything's working, 9 sets, 3.62 volts, 5.9, 590 milliamps. 2,000 feet out. $20 miles an hour. Let's push the throttle up to a little higher. 60% throttle, wow. Yeah, I gotta adjust my throttle. Okay. Yeah, what a great picture. You see that? Uh-huh. 3.85, 900. Good bars, 3.56, 30, 1,000, 1,200 feet. A little bit of a crosswind up here. Woo. There's that other patch. It's almost a mile, but it's not. There's us. Here's the top of the mountain. There's my road right there. 1600. Okay, where's the road? That's us. Okay, good line of sight. $1,700. Bumpy up there. Hear the quad?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, where are we? Oh, there we are. Okay, I was looking at the wrong spot. Good. I'm flying back to get battery data. My goal is to fly up there and back. Yeah, this thing is shaking. 50 miles an hour. I need to adjust my throttle another day though. 2200. Five minutes up and back. That was a pass to get how much power is going to take to go up there and how much power to get back. That's what I just did.
They're walking down this hill. It looped around.
Huh?
Those people are walking down the hill.
Where are they? Down below us?
Yeah.
On the road?
Yeah.
The lower road?
Yeah.
Up. Oh, I see them.
Come right up to us when they get.
I'm going to pass them right here.
Is that them? Same people?
She waved.
Mm-hmm.
They went up and found a loop. We'll have to interrogate them about that. Okay, 2600. I'm going to go back up to the hill again. Just going to let this fly up. 2800. That's funny, that's where they went. They went around. 35 amps. 6 minutes. 2900. I got to land 5500, leave up there. Land by 82. $24. $3,000 milliamps. Let's just let this climb. 3,500 milliamps. 3,300 milliamps. There's the white patch, I think. It's an upper road up there. 3,400 milliamps. $3,500 milliamps. Slow it down, dude. Baker. Oh, that's so funny, you can hear it. 3,800. It's like another. Okay, let's do this. Okay, you're the greeting committee.
Mm-hmm.
I'm busy. Slow it down. It's buffeting. Thing is shaking because of the wind and the speed. Getting a second pass on amp usage. I see our road now. $4,200. 3.6 volts. $49 miles an hour. And that's second pass, 4,300, 5,300. We got about 1,500 more milliamps to fly. We won't go up there again, up there. I gotta land it. Yeah, I need to adjust my throttle. It's too easy to steer here. $4,600. I haven't flown this new quad here. $4,800. 4,800. Hear a car coming? Oh. People hiking up the road. $5,000. I'm gonna drive up the road. You're just in time to watch the finale.
Yeah.
I was gonna be quiet.
Thank you. I'm gonna be landing in
What's the top speed on that thing?
60.
Okay.
I'm gonna be landing here in a couple of minutes. I'm just kind of take a look at the screen
yeah,
there.
you go.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
now that's
man.
cool.
I went up there earlier to the snow, but I'm not gonna now because I'm almost out of power.
Oh, okay.
So that's looking back at us.
Yeah, oh, there we go.
In fact, you can even see
Yeah.
sister,
Yeah.
Yep.
5,400. Just I'll go up here and do a peekaboo. That's us, sisters. Hey, you can't see really Baker from here. Look at that. Whoa. Anyways, back down. I'm gonna come back down.
That is amazing.
So that's what I'm seeing.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna get a little break up here because I'm going behind these trees. That's my signal being wonky.
Yeah, I see that. It's kind of...
But I have to learn to fly through that. It's these trees breaking up. Yeah, see, I gotta have line of sight.
Yeah.
Okay, 5,700 milliamps. I'm watching my battery.
Yeah.
I gotta land by 83. Okay, it's getting sluggish. 3.29 volts.
Shows how high it is.
Yeah, on the upper right. Yeah, the right. My speed, 32 miles an hour.
Yeah, see the other...
On the left at 9 o'clock is how much power I have. I'm getting low, 3.25 volts.
Yeah.
And I'm at 5,900. I gotta land by 83. And the other stuff in the very bottom middle is how far away it is from takeoff spot.
Okay.
800 feet that direction.
Okay.
If I wanted to follow that arrow, I'd turn around and get back home. 6,100. So I'm just gonna.
Yeah, see the timer, how long it's been out.
I'm going to This is separates the men from the boys, and I'm not that good at this. I need my kids. 6,300 milliamps. I've been up 14 minutes. See, when I do this. Whee. You can probably see the quad, right? With your eyes?
I did before.
I'm over this clump of trees out here. 64. I'll come back. Get your eye on it.
Oh, I see it.
Yep.
Okay, now to see how far you can see it. See if you can.
Okay, watch it.
6,600 milliamps.
It kind of blends in with the trees.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
that's what
Still, if you,
Yeah.
my buddy
if you're
Jim
with it
says.
The whole time is better.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
once it goes past,
Forget it. You
you
probably
can still see it.
barely,
Oh,
huh?
I lost it.
Okay.
Oh,
there
there's
it
there,
is.
yeah. And then right through that section,
Oh,
you can see
okay, up
it.
against
Yeah,
the road.
Yeah, the road is
The
a
road
good.
bank.
Oh yeah. See, I'm out 1,400 feet.
Seems like it's going faster than 60.
Well, right now I'm doing 32.
Yeah, but it seems like it's going faster.
Yeah. Whoa. How am I about 6,900? When I was coming down the hill from the top up there, it was shaking. The wind's blowing up there.
Oh, yeah.
I could see it buffeting.
Yeah.
I was like, kind of. This is a good day. It's not super windy. So I'll come down the road. Altitude. This altitude's plus or minus like 10 feet. It's not that accurate.
All right, let's go.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Now, there's guys that do these things and race them and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't do that. I'm just trying to take nice, pretty flowy video.
So while it's been out there, the whole thing's been video.
Yeah, the camera on top's been running.
Right. The whole.
And the camera on top is way better than this thing. Okay, my voltage is getting low.
Well, it's even better than what we see.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is pretty
Wow.
good.
This is yeah. I'm gonna land here in a little bit. The camera, yeah, I got to pull the memory card out and do
Yeah.
computer stuff, and it's it's
You can see
4K.
the propellers on the side. They're doing
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's the little camera in the front's what I'm flying by, and it sees that.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing here is just kind of flying and letting my battery drain. I'm just kind of getting data for.
Oh, so the finish, so the camera on top doesn't have, because it's on top, but I got
There's
that.
two cameras. The one we're looking at is lower res,
Right.
but it's got low latency, so I can fly it and not hit. The one on top is a high def 4K broadcast quality camera that we're not looking through that lens,
Right.
but it's about approximate the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
3.07. I'm going to come in and land. So don't laugh too hard, okay?
No, I'm gonna laugh real hard.
Yeah. Let's see if we can make the.
I always don't quite do it. My hands, this glove box thing works.
Yeah.
It's keeping the edge off.
Yeah, exactly. So you could be more steady, or
And the fingers get numb.
Yeah. Dexterity.
Yeah. In fact, do me a favor. Put that pad out a little further in the road.
pad.
That.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, the landing pad.
Yeah,
Push it out a
got
little
it?
more to your left. About 6 feet out. Perfect. There we go. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. You don't want to get hit by these props. They are carbon fiber, and they will.
Oh, nice and nice.
So if yeah, beware of a mad dog's coming in.
It's just like a helicopter. It puts all the right on the edge.
That's close.
Yeah, well,
Okay.
let's see, how would he
Well, that worked out better than expected. Everything worked out. We came back alive, and it was a little windy up there, a little buffeting, but that'll be interesting to see. And we're back in business, so thanks for watching. More fun to come.